Siman Yud Zayin Sif Daled. After you say Baruch Shem K'vay Malchusa L'Olam V'Oed, you also should pause a little bit and then start saying the parsha of Ve'ohavta. And also after the parsha of Ve'ohavta, you should wait before you begin the next parsha of Ve'hoya. Just wait a little bit, little break. Also, after you finish the parsha of Ve'hoya Im Shemaya, before you begin the parsha of Vayomer, you should also pause a little bit. And when you're saying the parsha of Vayomer, in that parsha you should have in mind to be yoytze the mitzvah of Zechiras Yetzias Mitzrayim, remembering and mentioning the Yetzias Mitzrayim. Sif Hey. When you're saying Kriya Shema, you should say it very carefully, making sure that you're using a proper siddur, which has the proper nekudos, and you should make sure that anything or any nekuda that should be stressed, any letter that should be stressed is stressed, and that you don't mix up other letters that should not be stressed, and you do stress those letters. You have to be careful that you're enunciating the words properly. And also, anytime that there is a line, you should break, you can pause a little bit. And also, with Shulchan Zimra is the same idea. The Kitzur Shulchan Aruch stresses, even though we're in the middle of the halachas of Kriya Shema, he still wants to stress from Shulchan Zimra. You should also be careful with all this that we're mentioning now. Now. Also, you should be careful that when you're saying the ayin of nishba, that you should make sure that it's stressed, that you can tell that it's an ayin and not that it sounds like nishba, which is with a hey and not an ayin. Also, when it comes to the zayins, so the zayins in tizkiru and uzechartem, you should make sure to mention them properly so that it does not sound like you're saying a sin.